to our video. Today we are going to begin with our book, that is Knowledge World, a course book for general knowledge, and this is a book for class 5 students by the Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with the first chapter of our general knowledge book, and the chapter is Our Plants. You know, children, plants play a very vital role in our life. They are very important part of our life. Now today in this chapter, we will study about various fascinating facts about the plants. So let us now begin with the first one. The first one is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis, driven by light energy, involves converting this light energy into chemical energy, and in the form of what? In the form of sugars. This process is essential for producing the sugar needed for energy storage in plants. Now what does photosynthesis mean? Photosynthesis means, photo means light and synthesis means to build together. Now that is to synthesize the food. So photosynthesis is a process of making food by the plants in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. And thus this is the process. What do we gain? The plants gain glucose and release oxygen gas, which is important for us as we breathe in oxygen. So this was all about photosynthesis. Here in the picture, they are showing you the light energy giving out of oxygen gas. They are taking in the carbon dioxide gas and they are releasing sugar also. So next now move to the second one, that is the cactus. This is the image of the cactus plant. It says cactus plants encompasses over 1,000 species native to North and South America. These plants belong to the Cactaceae family. So what do the family is the name? And the name of the family is Cactaceae family. Next we now move to transpiration. In transpiration, what do plants do? The plants actually reduce the loss of water, and reduce of loss of water is the process known as transpiration. When the weather is very hot, plants cool down by moving water from their roots and stems upwards. So what does it say? कि जब बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है तो plants जो हैं ठंडे हो जाते हैं, अपने आप को ठंडा कर लेते हैं by what? By the moving water from their roots and the stems upward. This process involves the loss of water vapor from the plant, and this loss of water is known as transpiration. Next we have dancing plant. The dancing plant moves its leaves visibly in response to melodious, making it unique. Now what does this mean? It means that there is a plant named as dancing plant, and this plant moves its leaves to various kinds of melodies, and making it unique, it makes it unique. It is also known as telegraph plant. It moves its leaves in response to light, heat, sound and touch. So this is also known as telegraph plant. Let's now move to the next page. Then on the next page we have another important plant, that is carnivorous plant, Venus flytrap. This is a plant which eats carnivorous things, insects etc. as a food in order to get nourishment or nutrition. Known for their challenging care requirements, Venus flytrap, another carnivorous plant. Known for their challenging care requirements, Venus flytrap are carnivorous plants that traps and digests insects and spiders etc. for nutrition. So this is the Venus flytrap plant. These facts were about some plants. Let's now do the exercises which are given below. The question says, recognize the following parts of the plants and tell their correct names by using the help desk. So in this we have to read the questions and then we have to recognize about which part of the plant they are asking. Let's begin with the first question. The first question says, which part transports nutrients within the plant? And the answer for this question is the stem. The stem is the part of the plant which transports nutrients to the various parts of the plant from within. Then the second question, which part facilitates respiration in plant? And the answer for this question is stomata. In bracket you can write leaves. Third question, which part aids in water and nutrient absorption in plants? And the answer for this question is roots. Fourth question, which part of the plant supports the growth of new plants? And the answer is seeds. Then the last question is, which part of the plant holds the seeds? And the answer is fruits. Then answer here please. This question is for the kids. Now children, have you ever noticed the different types of plants available in our environment? If you have noticed, then please write the answer over here. What different plants you have noticed. Let's now read the quick fact, and this says that, do you know that the leaves of the lucky bamboo plant, they grow up to 1 inch every month. They grow up to 1 inch every month. So this was about the quick fact. I hope you have understood the chapter. I hope you must have liked it and have got much knowledge about the plants from this chapter. Thank you. Well, thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.